Hey, I'm Emma, your crochet bestie, and today we're going to be talking about something that has haunted the craft community since the beginning of time. It's called the sweater curse. Knitters and crocheters describe the curse being that if you make a sweater for your significant other, then they will break up with you. Sometimes this occurs before you give them the item, and other times it's after. But the result is still the same, they break up with you. It's also known as the love sweater curse. So you might be wondering, why does this happen? And I think there's a few reasons as to why it does happen. One is definitely timing. It takes a long time to knit or crochet a sweater, and during that time, a relationship can definitely run its course naturally. Another reason that I've seen cited quite a few times is that sometimes significant others don't like the time that we spend crocheting or knitting a garment. Also, some people don't like it if their significant other is crocheting or knitting when they're spending time together, even if that time spent together is just watching TV or watching a movie. The biggest reason though would be either giving or receiving a sweater and then re-evaluating the relationship because the reaction of the person isn't what you expected. For example, if you've given your boyfriend a sweater that you've poured your love, time, and money into and it's not appreciated at all, it can really hurt. Or on the flip side of that, the receiver might get this gift and re-evaluate the entire relationship because obviously the knitter or crocheter is very invested and they perhaps are just not as invested as them. So how do we avoid the curse? There are a few ways to avoid the curse. One of them being that instead of making a sweater, which is a full-on commitment, you just make a smaller item to sort of see how that person reacts and progressively make them bigger gifts if you're confident that they enjoy handmade items. And of course, you. Some examples of some smaller gifts that you could give are hats, beanies, bags, socks, scrunchies, maybe a cute summer top, something a little bit smaller with less time commitment. So that's the sweater curse. Part craft legend, part cautionary tale. Let me know in the comments below what has been your personal experience with the sweater curse. Thanks for watching, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!